Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, everyone. Hey, Coach Tracy Reddy. I am Pamela King with Still Dating My Spouse. If you are joining me and hearing this replay of this broadcast, I want you to make sure that you tap the screen and you share this with your friends and family. So we are in a new month. Yes! We made it through the first month of 2016. Thank you, boo. Thank you. And we are ready to hit the new month with an extra day. We are in a leap year. So we get an extra month this month. And I just want to help you guys maximize these days that we have, because every day is not promised. We never know if what's going to happen in our life with our spouses, and we need to just make sure that we are really taking advantage of the time that we do have. So for those of you, thank you for the hearts. For those of you that do not know me, I am Pamela King with StillDatingMySpouse.com. The whole reason I am ever on social media is to help you guys create healthy relationship practices to improve your connection, commitment, and consistency in your marriage. All right, so this is part of the Better You Scope. I kick off Better You Scope every Monday at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. And then I have two cohorts that comes behind me. They are killer. They are gurus in their space. I have Coach Tracy Reddy that is going to help those that are single and ready to date. And then we have Authentic Money that help you guys get your mind right about your money. Yep, that's Coach Tracy Reddy. So make sure you guys follow them. Follow the Better You Scope hashtag so that you can get those tidbits that will help you improve your life, improve your marriage, improve your finances. That's what it's all about, right? All right, so let me get started on what we're getting ready to talk about today. So to this month, since I have 5 Mondays in this month, I'm going to give you guys 5 decisions that you need to make in your marriage. Just so that these decisions that you make that I'm getting ready to share with you will help you improve improve who you are in your marriage and improve your marriage. I mean, it takes time, right? But little steps, every little step helps, and every decision that you make should be a positive decision toward your marriage. So tip number 1, the decision that I want you guys to implement today, immediately, sometime like now. But anyway, tip number 1 is to create a technology-free zone in your house. In your house and in your marriage. So we know that we are so inundated with technology and the things that is happening. We got Twitter, we got Facebook, we got Instagram, we got Periscope. And if anyone has Periscope on their phone and you're following more than one person, you already know how crazy it gets, and that you get all of those notifications about and people being on Periscope, and you just have that feeling to just get on it. So we have Instagram, Periscope, we have Twitter, we have Facebook, we have Snapchat, we have Pinterest, and we all know how time consuming Pinterest is. But when we give so much of our waking hours to our phone or to our computer, we don't have that time to devote to our family or our marriage. And when you decide that you want to know what the latest celebrity beef is, you want to be in the know so that you can be the first one to tweet it out, or if you're one of those that has to know everything that's happening on Twitter, or you just on Instagram looking at from Texas, looking at all the pictures, you are not devoting enough time to your spouse, and because your mindset is on what is happening in the world instead of your mindset being on what is happening in your marriage. So I am telling you guys that I want you to create a technology-free zone in your marriage, so that way when you and your spouse would at least have undivided attention of each other at least 15 minutes per day. And what that does is allow you to get into them and enjoy who they are and get to know your spouse without it being an interruption of what's happening on Instagram or what's happening on Twitter or even all of these periscopes. It's fine and dandy. Technology is wonderful. But technology, our use of technology is killing our marriages and causing couples to grow apart. So I am giving you guys... I am telling you guys to create a technology-free zone in your marriage. You have to. When you wake up and check your phone first without saying good morning to your boo or even praying, there's a problem. If you fall asleep on your phone because you just have to know everything that's happening, that is a problem. You have got to devote time to your spouse more than you devote to being on this technology. Again, we need technology in 2016, but we don't need it to be the focal point in our marriage, because if your focal point is technology, that means your spouse is not top priority. Y'all will catch that in a little bit. Your spouse should be your top priority, but if you're putting him behind, yes, you definitely should pray first before you get on that phone, and you definitely should pray and talk to your spouse before you catch up on what's been happening on this on the internet. So I want you guys, that's decision number one I want you to make, and I want you to decide to make that decision today and put it into play. So I want you to decide with your spouse where in your house will be technology free, and what time in your life during the day will be technology free for you guys. When will you not have you're not be on your phones or on technology, so that you and your spouse can have that quality time? Now, I'm not telling you that you have to do 2-3 hours of that daily. All I'm telling you, you can devote 15 minutes uninterrupted, no technology in your daily life, so that you can connect with your spouse. It is such a needed thing, and you got to get it done. So I want you to tweet me at DatingMySpouse and tell me what time of the day are you going to be technology free. Now, who can do that? Who is going to tweet me and let me know what day of the hour, what time of the day you will be technology free in your marriage? Yes, I'm DatingMySpouse on everything. You guys follow me. I'm on DatingMySpouse on everything. All right, so my time is up. I have better you scoped it for you guys today on this Monday. And I am going to pass this cast over to my single lady dating guru, Miss Coach Tracy Reddy. She is so great at what she does, and she has great tidbits that she shares with women and men too, though. But she shares great with yes, tweet me. What time of the day are you going to be technology free? So make sure if you're not following her, you'll follow me, because I am going to share it. Make sure that you pass the cast over to Coach Tracy Reddy. All right, you guys, I am Pamela King, and I'm always dating my spouse. And since I'm in Raleigh this week, I am going to have to use a little bit more technology to stay connected to my spouse. But we'll talk about that a little later. I'm going to tell you how you can use technology for good and not for bad. All right, you guys. Until next time, I'm going over to Coach Tracy Reddy. You ready, boo? We headed over to Coach Tracy Reddy. Until next time, you guys, have a good day. Oh, y'all see me hands-free? Woohoo! I got the Tracy. This is the Monsters selfie case that I'm using, and it sticks on something smooth, and you just put it up, and look, y'all, I am hands free. I'm loving it. All right, I'm out of here for real though, because Tracy is ready. She's ready. All right, we going. Bye.